Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add filter in Filmora application using your mobile device. Adding a filter in Filmora is a simple process, so here is how you can do it. First of all, go to your App Store or your Play Store and download the Filmora application on your device. After you do that, click Open the application to get started. After you open up the app, click on the New Project button or the plus button in blue at the bottom. Select a video clip that you want to edit from your gallery. Tap on the video and then click on Import at the bottom right. Wait for a few minutes until your video clip gets imported. Now the video will be shown on your timeline. Go to the bottom of the screen and look for the filter option and tap on it. Browse through the available filters to find the one that best suits your video. You can discover filters from categories displayed on the screen. After you choose your desired filter, if you have multiple clips on your timeline, you can also choose to apply the filter to all the clips. Click on this Apply to All button at the bottom. And finally, you can also adjust your filter intensity by dragging the slider. Increase or decrease the filter's intensity, and after you are happy with the result, click on the tick mark at the top right corner and you will be able to apply the filter. You can also make other adjustments for the filter. Simply go ahead and click on the filter on your timeline and click on Add Adjust at the bottom. Now from there, you can also adjust the exposure, contrast, saturation, and other elements for your filter as well. Filmora offers a variety of filters including color adjustments, cinematic styles, and artistic effects. Go through and explore with the filters and find the best one for your video clip, and after you are happy with your result, you can go ahead and click on Export at the top right corner, choose the desired export setting and save the video to your gallery. And that's how you can easily add and customize filters in your video using the Filmora app on your mobile device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.